Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel Read with Bindu. In today's video, I am going to talk about my August TBR, all the books that I want to read in August. Without further ado, let's dive into it. First up, I have Problematic Summer Romance by Ali Hazelwood. It is a recently published book. It is the second book in the Rotten Love series. I have read Rotten Love in last month and I absolutely loved it. I love the dynamic between two characters. The two main characters are male lead and the female lead. I absolutely love their chemistry and I love the plot as well. I am so excited for this book. Next up, I have Gone Girl by Gillian Flynn. Let me tell you, I'm going blind into this book. I absolutely have zero idea about this book. I just know that it's a mystery thriller. It's about a serial killer. You know what? I absolutely love to read books which are about serial killers. I heard serial killer. I'm like, okay, add it to my TBR. So I'm very, very excited. Let me know in the comments below if it's worth the read. Next up, I have Emma by Jane Austen. It's a classic. Jane Austen, The Pride and Prejudice is the only book I read by Jane Austen and I absolutely loved it. I reread that book multiple times and then recently I came across Emma by Jane Austen on my Instagram. There is this account called as Drunken Biblichore. I love her. If you're not following, just follow her. She posted about this book, about her reading in the previous month about Emma, and I was like, it sounds so interesting. I have to pick this up. I'm so excited for this book. Next up, I have The Lion Woman of Tehran by Marjan Kamali. Let me tell you, recently I read The Stationery Shop of Tehran by Marjan Kamali, and it was such a great book. If you have already seen my videos, you already know it because I ramble about that book in every single video almost. It was about these two teenagers who fall in love in Iran when the political unrest and coup was going on. I loved the dynamic between them and I loved the writing by Marjan Kamali. It was so lyrical and beautiful and poetic. That's when I just binged what are all the books written by Marjan Kamali, and I was requesting other people to give me recommendations by Marjan Kamali. And this is the book which everyone has been recommending me, The Lion Woman. Apparently, it's a very sad book, but I love sad books. I love books that are heartbreaking and make me feel pain. You can call me whatever you want. So I'm very excited for this book, at the same time, very, very scared. Wish me luck. Next up, I have The Naturals by Jennifer Lynn Barnes. Let me tell you, Naturals has been in my TBR for years, forever. It has been in my TBR for so long. I wanted to pick it up because I've seen so many people say such great things about this book. It's basically a thriller book. Again, I'm going in blind with this book. You can already tell this month almost the entire all the books I'm going in blind without knowing anything. I love to do this every once in a while. That's what I do most of the times, except for when I'm really, really skeptical about a book. So this month, it's either going to be a really banger for me or it's going to be very, very disappointing. Either way, I'm very excited. Next up, I have The Night and the Moth by Rachel Gillig. Okay, this is a recently published book, and everyone has been saying about this book. My bookstagram is filled with this book. My booktube is filled with this book. It is apparently a fantasy book. I love fantasy. Recently, I've been reading a lot of fantasy, and it's not just any fantasy. It has gothic vibes. I really love gothic books or dark academia vibes or those dark haunted house vibes. So I'm really excited for this book. Let me know in the comments below if you have read this book or if it's worth the hype. Okay, when I was reading reviews of this book by other people, it kind of gave me the vibes of Heartless Hunter or the Crimson Moth series. I really enjoyed that book. That's why I'm going to pick this book up. Okay, that's all I have for my August TBR. Let's see if I'm going to stick my TBR at least this month and finish these books, or I'm just going to read whatever I want like any other month. Let me know in the comments below if any of our books are matching in our TBRs. Do not forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.